guys, this is Dane here. Today we're gonna try to find Sour King. Today we're gonna try to find Sour King once he gets on the server. Really bad lag. Oh god. We're on a Skype call at the same time too. So. Oh, what's wrong with my computer? Don't go to the lag. Don't go to the lag. It's not the recording, guys, but it's just that I haven't played Unturned in a long time, so I'm just gonna get bad lag for a little bit. So, hope you guys enjoy seeing the lag for the past couple minutes. Gotcha. I'm gonna stay still for a second. Let the lag go up. I'll see ya. Alright. Lag should be gone. Shh. Hey man. Oh, you want to team up? Want to team up, man? I'm just joking, I'm killing. Hey man, wait. You want to team up? Team up, man. Team. Dang it. Alright then. So if you guys want to join the server, the link will be in the description for the server address. Maybe. Actually, no, it won't. I don't even know that. I just joined random servers. So. But the server name is... don't know. So, right now we're heading into a barn. Probably lost connection. So for now, I'm just doing a different server. So I'm gonna pause the video right here. I will see you in the next server.